Hello friends and welcome to Anka classes. So previous year's question analysis trigonometry ge session number 8. Going to discuss the marks na 5 marks. Okay, so 2019 the hangiba question nama yengs. Okay. So the pilot of an aeroplane observes that an angle of depression of a kilometer stone on a straight road on horizontal ground is 60 degree when the aeroplane is at a particular altitude. And he increased the altitude by 300 meter. The angle of depression of the next kilometer stone is 30 degree. Okay. So find the altitude of the aeroplane when the first observation was made. So question nina hangisi kaino haiba matamda plane ama leirame. Okay, plane is the pilot amana pilot mana pilot ama jina yengtharakpa matamda kilometer stone ama lei. Okay, so we have it here. Understand tauba ngamra yengsi ko. So we have there is the horizontal line of years. Okay. Now, see there is the horizontal line of later. See there is the plane of pi. Okay, so this is a aeroplane. Aeroplanes in a kilometer stone ama. So the lay lambis there is the okay. Aeroplanes in a kilometer stone ji yeng tharakpa matamda. Okay, kilometer stone ji aeroplane in a yeng tharakto in here. Okay, see yeng tharakpa there is the angle of depression. Okay, so angle of depression haita di mana yeng tharakpada. Let's say angle of depression ji see kilometer stone ji yeng tharakpada 60 degree ne. Okay, now see the situation there is the side plane ji kitang packet kre mathakta kaya wang na packet li haiba matamda 300 meter. Okay, packet li planes. Now 300 meter packet laba matungda plane jindagi amuk mathangi kilometer stone. Okay, mathangi kilometer stone amamuk mana yengi. Okay, sigi kilometer stone mathangi dalaiba kilometer stone ji amuk yeng tharapko matam jida is da magi angle of elevation si 30 degree da hong kre. Okay, sine question din hais. Ado ibetara di ahambagi observation da lairiba sigi plane gi aham observation gi height si kayano sigi height si kayano. Okay, so this is what the question is asking. Now today is koina ningsan gadauba or understand tawgadaba amalai kilometer stone amaga kilometer stone amagi marakta kilometer ama lapnani, which is equal to 1000 meters. Okay. Now, sidalay riba potsi ay koina diagram ama oina yekthok pirasi. Si diagram ama oina yekthok kumatamda. Koina kari lera. Ahambada hamba B zina sagi initial position ji ohelasi. Okay. Now B zina initial position ji ohelasi. Sigi B zina. Okay. Initial position ji ohelasi. E zina 300 meter packet kraga labor position do ohelasi. Yani ko. So D ga E ga zina aikoi gi kilometer stone ani do ohelasi. Adu di DE ki marak pa kyam lapani 1000 meters. So AB की height ना क्या हो रहा नी 300 meter. नत्रा आहाम बदगी यंग धरक पता angle of depression जो 60 degree ले रहा है मथंगी position लगी ना 30 degree ले रहा है. So 60 degree yang dhara abne na alternate interior angles hoy rabne na. So there is the BCD right angle gi angle BDC is 60 degree. Similarly angle AEC is 30 degree. Sigi diagram ji le raha. Okay. Now sidagi ekoi solution ama prokna ba tawsiko. Okay, so let us clean the whiteboard. Now, hojik solution ji horasi. So, solution. Ahambada ekoi na diagram ji da utliba port map ji kari no hairasi. So, let A and B nala BD ahambada kaino A is in a final position nadra. Final and B is in a initial positions of the aeroplane. Okay. Adai mathang da D and E BD 2 kilometer stones. Okay. Now, sidagi de ekoi de kai le ra ekoi de phangiba data se ithokpirasi. So we have AB is equal to 300 meter. So DE is equal to 1 kilometer natra. Karigino haiba matamda D ga E is a kilometer stone thangna banina 1 kilometer layerni, which is equal to 1000 meter. Mathang the angle BDC, which is equal to 60 degree. Mathang the angle AEC, which is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so this is the data may see. Okay, now see it over matunda. I could solution G continue to the solution G equina hambra right triangle BCD say lower C. Okay, so in right triangle BCD, okay, we have tan of 60 degrees perpendicular by base, so BC by CD. Now we have CD is BC by tan 60 degree. Okay, now CD hariba term C BC upon root 3. Nata karigino haiba matamda since tan of 60 degree is equal to root 3. Okay, so that is the equation 1 haiba lera. Now similarly equina right triangle amamu yengsi. Right triangle. Okay, so similarly in a right triangle ACE, so we have tan of 30 degree is equal to perpendicular AC, so base is CE. Okay, now see this is the equate the lady AC se karino AC is nothing but AB plus BC. Okay, and C is the CD plus DE. Okay, DE. Equine is substitute the easy karigino have a matamda CD value hapsalakanigo. Now, so 1030 value is option we receive 1030 is 1 by root 3. So AB is a question the equina 300 ni higher kange. So BC value is equal to so BC is a thumbiris. Okay, CD hariba port CD equina BC by root 3 and a leg. natra sidai mapanda when equation 1. Okay, and DE is 1000. Yantare ko sidai akoina kai habiramani since tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 haina. Yantare ko aduga BC CD is equal to BC by root 3 and habiram. Okay, adu itari sigi equation je have to zero ko have to kaide. Okay, now sigi makhada akoi solution je continue to rasi ko. So we have 1 by root 3 layer. Okay, now so there is the 300 plus BC. Okay, now so there is the root 3 layer. There we go. Now root 3z equal LCM loraga BC plus 1000 root 3 layer. There you go. Okay. Adu ita di equal na makada diba root 3z matak tangat pirasi. So we have root 3 into 300 plus BC and makada BC plus 1000 root 3. Okay, so sige root 3z matak tangat kiba. All right. Now cross multiply to so we have BC plus 1000 root 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3 300 plus BC. Okay, so we have BC. Now 1000 root 3 is a koina kay harisige 1.732 value locals or 1.73. Okay, so today's the root 3 into root 3 get 3 into 300 plus BC. So we have BC 1.73 into 1000 get 1730. Okay, so which is equal to 3 into 3 900 plus 3 BC. Adu itadi akoina BC ji nakana mo thammasi. Okay, calculate the line about 3 BC minus BC is equal to 1730 minus 900 lani. Sigi zikitang ay nasamjan wani sigi sidagi kamay la ino habi matamda sidagi yung BC je asona kan 3 BC la BC minus 3 BC lani nadra laba which is equal to 900 minus 1730 lakuni. Okay, she is the confusing oi haidana aina left hand side to lay right hand side on toga right hand side to lay left hand side on toga lakuni. Okay, aduna kamay la ino yung confuse oi batardi please pay attention. Say 900 plus 3 BC is equal to BC plus 1730. Left hand side ka right hand side ka. Adu ita this is the 3 BC minus BC lani and 1730 minus 900 lakani. Tamana is okay. So continue to see we have 3 BC degi BC amulok to 2 BC lani. So 1730 degi 900 log to we have 830. Okay, so BC is equal to 830 divided by 2. Adu itadi BC je kya tara? BC is equal to 415 meter. Okay, now so there is the equation BC je karino haipet exiko. BC hai jidi nasagi equation putokotori ba height of the initial position, not the initial altitude. So therefore the required initial altitude of the aeroplane BC is equal to 415 meters. So this is how we would tackle such question. The point down here, the important thing to understand is the diagram. Diagram se bu yek thok pangamadi trigonometry heights and distances ki question mayam ji, it is very easy. Okay, so thank you for joining Anka classes. We will meet again.